So this is an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, I bought this phone on release date. I pre-ordered it, got it in the mail on release date, no issues getting a hold of it. Within a few days of the phone launching, Phone Repair Guru, another YouTube channel that I follow, did a teardown video where it was unveiled that Apple had locked the screen with Face ID. If you change this screen for any reason, broken or not, even with authentic Apple parts, Face ID was disabled. Okay, iFixit later confirmed this, and a lot of people were pretty mad across the world about this because of what it does to third-party repair. People buy these phones, they want to be able to fix their own phone or have it fixed at a third-party repair shop. As consumers, when we pay $1,100 for a phone, you want to have the ability to fix it on your own or to take it somewhere other than Apple to have it repaired if that's what you want to do. Now, I'm an Apple fanboy, but even I can admit that this is a completely unacceptable method of locking the customer's phone. In the area that I live, the nearest Apple store is about 2 hours away. So if I broke my phone and didn't want to fix it myself, I'd have to take it 2 hours away to get it fixed. And that's just unacceptable. Now, according to Mac rumors and a future software update with no date given, Apple is pushing a software update that will keep your phone from disabling Face ID if you have to have your screen repaired, which is good. For a third-party repair shop like mine, the 13 Pro Max actually is one of the easiest repairs that you can do because the Face ID module and all the equipment that goes with it is no longer attached to the back of the screen. There's one sensor up here at the top, but the ear speaker, the Face ID module, and all that stuff is now in the housing of the phone itself without having to remove it from the screen and transferring it to the new screen. So hats off to Apple for listening to their consumers. I appreciate the fact that they're going to now allow Face ID to be used even after a screen repair. So hats off to them. They shouldn't have done it to begin with, but you know, it's good that a company actually listens to their consumers. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that bell so you get notified for all the videos. I appreciate you guys watching, and y'all take it easy.